The difference between those two is your delta H. And how big is that, Kyle? It is -12 kilojoules. Is you take this value from A, you multiply it by the mole ratio of bromine to bromate.
Yes, that's what I did. I got it wrong though. It says expression question mark 2.
So maybe you got 1 out of 2?
I got 0.5 out of 2.
So you did you have a negative number, a negative sign?
Yeah, I have negative.
So it's forming, so it's positive.
Oh, so you have to like switch the negative from your last answer to the positive?
Because there's no negative in your last answer. So this is your final answer. What's 1 point, that's what, 4.59? That's your answer.
Like I wrote that there, but then I wrote the 1.53. I'm stupid.
Well, 4.95
Like I wrote that and the 1.53. I just wrote in the wrong spot. So that's 1.52.
So that's proper expression form.
It should be Br2, not Br. Yeah, it's not an ion.
So like, if I only wrote like the right side,
Okay, listen, it says, very first question, express your answer in the appropriate format. And then I give you the appropriate format in brackets. And then for B, I say express your answer in the appropriate format. So you got a mark for putting this, and you got a mark for that.
I put that and you put question mark.
Show me what you put.
Did you just drop the negative for that?
Because there is no negative.
You just got,
The negative isn't here. Sorry, it's not here, it's here.
yeah, but like in the next one, you just,
There is no negative.
I know, but on the left side, like by the triangle.
But it's being formed. It's plus.
So it's just like you get rid of it? Yeah, alright.
If you make something, it's increasing in value, so it's a positive sign.
So that's just for the,
That's negative because it's decreasing because it's a reactant. Okay, let me see. That's right. Okay, I did not understand what you guys were doing here. You both have the same answer. Here's the expression, that is not the correct value. And then you have this number over here. I thought this was your answer.
No, this was my answer at the bottom.
But that should have been your expression. So half your answer's here with the wrong number, and that's the right number. So you got a half mark because you do have the right number. That should be BR2, and you don't. You know what? I'll give you a half mark. And what happened to?
I didn't have time to finish it.
Remember you asking for paper, and then there's no extra paper. And I'm like, did she forget to hand it? Yeah. Okay, so you wanted to go over number 5. Some of you read this one way too fast.
I just didn't have time to
Yo,
finish it.
it's not too. It's the March 23rd one.
And you picked the wrong rate law equation. If this is the rate law equation, what are the coefficients for our reactants? What is the second one?
Z. No, that's right, 3Z plus,
That's a 2.
oh, it's only
Plus, it's okay.
plus X plus Z.
Oh, sorry. Let's make that. Looks like I used the same letter twice. N. Question mark. Then you look for that equation somewhere. Some of you told me that it was 2A plus B for the slow step. This is your rate determining step. So equation number 1, that would be A squared B1 C squared. So it's not that, because that doesn't match to that top equation. A plus B doesn't fit because the coefficients aren't 1. Therefore, it has to be 3. Because there you've got A to the first order, B to the second order from your slow step. When you look at these reaction mechanisms, look at the single and then look at the slows. That's all you need. You don't need the fast steps. When you're figuring out which one is the reaction mechanism, you're just going, what are these coefficients for these reactants? So you're looking for a 1A and a 2B. You find which one has it. So the reaction mechanism was 3. Overall equation, add them up. You've got A plus 2B, and if you picked the wrong mechanism, but you did this correct, you still got marks. So you add them up just like it was Hess's law. You've got, what's on both sides? You've got AB2, gone. A2B2, gone. You've got 2 A's, 2 C's. One of the B's cancels to give you 3D. There's your overall. You just add them up. Anything that canceled, that was made in one step and then used in the next step, are your reaction intermediates. So reaction intermediates were AB2 and A2B2.